Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be putting the Tentboxclassic installation pod in. First step is to remove your cargo netting from the buckles in the corners and in there. Second step is take your liner out of your bag, and then obviously you'll find where this velcro is here, like a little velcro pocket, and then that lines up with your loop. This is to make sure that you have your liner the correct way and orientation. You have some velcro in the corners. Unzip the velcro and then you'll have some buckles what look like this. These buckles go on the outer part, on the right hand side of there, on the side of your gas rams. Thread your buckle behind, then over this part, so it looks like this. Don't pull it too tight yet, wait till you get all your four corners in. That's the second one. Just thread it through and keep it loose. That's the third buckle in. Now let's do the last one. Now they're all fastened, go around and pull them all tight. When they're all tight, make sure you tuck your liner at back of the gas rams and then velcro them shut. Just run your hands down like that. Just go around and do the velcro on both sides behind the gas rams. When you've got all your four corners in, go around and tuck the excess underneath your mattress so it keeps it all tight and taut. Just go around and then tuck it all underneath the mattress to keep it tight. So it looks like that all the way around, nice and neat. Now fasten your cargo net back up to the plastic loops, what it was on there before. Just back into its loops like you had it before. With this part here, just undo the velcro so you can find the D's what your cargo net fits into. When you've clipped it back up, just reseal the velcro. That'll stop any drafts coming in. Same on that side, just like that, and then reseal the velcro. In your thermal kit you will get two bungees with it. They're just like the ones what you use to open and close your tent with. What I do is I loop them to the left hand side of the gas strut, so then it's to there where you've got that D what holds your cargo net up. This will help to stop the sagging on your liner. Just a little tip here. Do you know them two bungees you get for like opening and closing your tent, what keeps all the tent in? I use these and just put them across to help any more sagging and keep it tighter in places. I just put one from there all the way across just to hold that up a bit more. That's the other side done. It just keeps it sagging from up them places there. Just a little tip for you. If it's not aligned properly, just go around and just slide everything across a bit. Like say there is my door is not aligned up with the liner door, so you just slide everything over and just tidy everything up a bit. When it's all tidy and everything zipped back up, it should look something like this. This is the second season I'll be using it for winter. I find it a very breathable product So even when it's cold in the winter and stuff, you can still leave your windows open but have the liner completely zipped up. This will help with condensation as well. So if you leave your windows slightly down, it'll stop with the condensation build up. The Classic can still be closed with the liner in and your bedding. I will show you that soon. I have the Tentbox mattress topper in, a big thick 5-season sleeping bag and a small 3-season bag, and it still closes perfect. I'll show you my method how to do it in a minute. So I have the big green thick 5-season sleeping bag and the blue 3-season one, and my pillow is just over there. After 5 minutes of just playing with it, I've got the liner pretty nice. I just leave the windows open and just fold everything inside so it's laying quite flat. When you've pulled your Classic down, put your straps through the buckles, but don't put them right in. Just leave them like that and I'll show you why soon. I've done the back 2 straps the same. I've just threaded them through a slight little bit. If this material comes out, what I do is, my little tip is thread it over your gas rams. So that'll be your liner as well. Just make sure it goes over, and then obviously it will shut with it in. Then when you've done that, just lift your flap up. So all corners are over your rams. This side has puffed out a bit, so I just go up and just tuck it over your rams like that. And same on this corner. Just make sure it's all over. Go around and just tuck your skirt in. What I do is, I start from the front 2 buckles and pull them tight as much as I can now. Then I just thread the excess just at the back of itself, stop it flapping about. Then it's all shut now properly. Everything's tight, everything's shut down. Well, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please like and subscribe, and also watch my other Tentbox videos.